Alright guys, so behind me 78 series, we've got a set of our 78 series brackets. This is the kit you get. 2 brackets, they're universal left and right, a couple of clamping brackets for the mud flaps, and you'll get a bolt kit as well. So let's dive in and show you exactly how to install these bad boys. Step 1 here is you've got 3 mounting screws for this. Remove that, and then you're going to take this and remove these 2 rivets. You can either drill them out or grind them flat and retain that piece of the mounting bracket off your original mud flap bracket. So the mounting bracket is universal left and right. What you want to do is have your 3 mounting slots for the mud flap towards the outside of the vehicle. These slots here are because you can have it in 2 different positions. So this here, where the original mounting screws were, line up, and you can have it in this outer position, or you can move it in and have it in the inner position depending on the wheel offset that you've got. In this car, the inbound position is where we're going to aim for. So once you have this bracket, you need to step drill or drill these out to a 6.5mm hole to accept the bolts supplied. So this one is set up for the passenger side of the vehicle. Because we are setting up to be set in as far as this bracket allows, we've picked up those 2 holes for that bracket into this one. Now we've tightened them up, but we've left them loose enough so that we can get a bit of movement to allow that to line up. The easiest next step here is knowing that this side where your bracket is going to be the back of the vehicle. We want to put the mud flap on there, bolt with a big washer through this side into your bracket, your support plate, and then your nut and your washer on there as well. Just set the one up initially, because this one is actually behind where the factory flare sits, so you can't get to this one to tighten it up later. So if you set this one up now, nip it up, and then don't overcrush it, but just nip it up so it's tight, and then you can go ahead and install this onto the car. So now you're at this point ready to install. Easiest way, because that bracket is loose, get this one started back into the thread, and then you can push this one across, line him up, get it started, and then get this one started as well, and then just do those 3 up. So at this point, you can just pivot the mud flap out of the road and tighten these 2 inner ones. So for the outer and inner bolts, set up with a small machine washer on the bolt side, and then put it through from the inside, large washer and nut on the inside. So that's it. Install on this side's complete now. As you can see, we've got good coverage over the tyre. We still have a whole another 25mm this could come out if you've got a really wide offset. Go and rinse and repeat for the other side and you're all done.